Here is one of our coding robots earlier lessons. While you are not familiar with all blocks and commands and may not see yourself as programmers yet, with the Blockly Visual Code Editor and the simulation as an interpreter, reading code is a great practical way to develop computational thinking skills. This lesson is about reading code. Students are asked to figure buggy program. Using the code comments and the simulation, students need to figure out what commands are missing so the robot returns to its starting position. From the comments, we can see that all this program is doing is to drive the robot forward for a while, then turn the robot to the right, then forward, then turn to the right, as its code repeats itself. To fix this code and bring the robot back to its starting position, let's see what we need to do. Let's use the simulation as the interpreter of the code. I run my code and try to find out what is missing. As we can see, we are only missing two actions: turn to the right and then move forward. We already have these blocks available for us, so all we need to do is just duplicate those commands. I'll duplicate this block, which takes the robot forward, as it says so in the comments. Oops, I made a mistake. First I need to turn, and then I'll duplicate this block, which takes the robot forward, bringing it back to its starting position. These comments help me to understand what the code is about, and running a simulation helps me see exactly what it means. If you are already familiar with programming, you probably thought, why not use loops? Once students are introduced to new concepts, such as loops, they revisit previous missions in which they can apply new knowledge. This is very helpful as they already understand the problem and can focus on applying a new and different solution. I hope by now you feel just a little bit more comfortable reading Visual Blockly code. Write down OK in the chat box if you indeed feel more comfortable, or ask a question and my colleagues will reply promptly. Excellent. As you can see, we are slowly constructing more knowledge and acquiring more skills. But do not be discouraged if it feels like a lot to take in. With Coder-Z, you will be able to practice and experiment whenever you like. And I guarantee you will feel very comfortable in no time. In fact, I can guarantee that while you may make some mistakes along the way, no one will get hurt, and Coder-Z will not blow up in your face. In the next mission, we will learn to use sensors.